The UK is rolling out a major travel update that will impact millions of visitors worldwide. If you're planning to travel or visit the UK, you'll need to know about the Electronic Travel Authorisation, or ETA. What is it? Who needs it? How do you apply? And how can you avoid getting scammed while applying? Let's break it all down. What is the UK ETA? The Electronic Travel Authorisation, or ETA, is part of the UK's plan to digitize its borders by 2025. Starting this January 8th, 2025, most non-European visitors, including those from the US, Canada, and Australia, will need an ETA to enter the UK. This will later expand to European travelers from April 2nd, 2025. Think of it as similar to the US ETA, an online travel authorization for short stays. Who needs an ETA? If you're from a country that currently enjoys visa-free travel to the UK, like the US, Canada, or Australia, you'll need an ETA for visits starting January 8th, 2025. And from April 2nd, 2025, European travelers will also need to apply. But UK and Irish passport holders, as well as people with existing UK visas, are exempt. For everyone else, including visa-required travelers, your visa is your authorization to enter the UK. How to apply for an ETA? Applying for the ETA is simple and can be done online or via a mobile app. Here is what you need: a biometric passport from an eligible country, your travel details, an email address, and a credit or debit card to pay the £10 application fee. Most applications are approved within 72 hours, with some in just minutes. But the UK Home Office advises applying at least a few days before your trip. Beware of scam websites. This is where you need to pay extra attention. Unfortunately, scammers are already taking advantage of travelers by creating fake websites that look like the official UK government portals. For example, websites like ivisa.com are charging as much as $300 for the same ETA that just costs £10 on the official UK government website. These websites may promise faster processing or claim to be approved agents, but the reality is they're charging you an outrageous fee for something you could do easily yourself. To avoid these scams, make sure you're applying through the official UK government portal. I'll leave the link in the description to help you navigate it safely. Remember, the ETA is meant to simplify travel, not to burn a hole in your pocket. What about travelers from visa-required countries? If you're from a country that already requires a visa to enter the UK, like many African countries, Nigeria, Ghana, you will not need an ETA. Your visa already acts as your travel authorization. The ETA is strictly for those who don't need a visa for short visits. So, if you have a valid UK visa, just focus on meeting its requirements. No additional ETA application is needed. Finally, why is the UK introducing the ETA? This move is part of the UK's plan to fully digitize its borders by the end of 2025. The goal? To reduce the queues at entry points and create a smoother process for legitimate travelers. In fact, the UK is already planning to introduce contactless corridors where you may not even need to speak to a border officer. Instead, you upload your biometric details, take a photo of your face before your trip. So yes, the ETA is a significant step in modernizing the UK border control, but it's crucial to stay informed to avoid costly mistakes. Have you encountered any fake ETA websites before? Share your experiences in the comments below and let me know if you already applied for an ETA, a UK ETA. What was the process? Was it simple? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section below. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and share this with anyone planning to visit the UK. My name is Sasi Funke and I am your gateway to navigating travel better and smarter. Safe travels, guys, and watch out for those scams.